What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Randy. So today in this video I have two fragrances I just got from Fragrancenet. I'm going to do a first impression with you as well as note breakdown and give you what I think about them. So without further ado, cue the intro and let's get it.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah.
So welcome back, and I actually wasn't going to do a video today because I was going to take a day off because I did like 103 videos in the last 60 days, but I received this package early from Fragrancenet because they finally switched their shipping provider to USPS, and now things are going to finally start arriving on time. But with that said, the two fragrances I'm going to go over today, I was only going to buy one. To finish out the Wanted line, I was buying Wanted Tonic. I've tried it before at Macy's once. So I have the original Wanted, Wanted by Night, Most Wanted, and Most Wanted Parfum. So this will complete the line. That is the reason I purchased it. And when I had it in the cart, the fluid reminded me that I actually needed to purchase another one that has a very similar color fluid, and that is Jean-Paul Gaultier's Le Beau. Right. So this is how the box looks. It looks like all the other Azzaro Wanted line of boxes, except for this color is like a blue hue. It says the Wanted Tonic, 100 milliliter, 3.4 ounce, and it's an eau de toilette concentration, and it has the revolver on the top. Let me get this open here. Bottle presentation is similar to all the other ones with the chrome top, and then the fluid is like a teal or turquoise, and then on the bottom is the batch code. It is 0949230. And then it has a removable cap, and let's get this atomizer cooking. While I do that, I'm going to read the note breakdown for the Azzaro Tonic. The top notes, it's only 3 notes. The top note is lime, the mid note is ginger, and the base note is patchouli. Okay, so this has actually gotten a decent amount of hate on social media, especially saying it's garbage or whatnot. But to be honest with you, it's not. I'm surprised. I did test this about a year ago. I didn't know as much about fragrances back then as I do now. It says lime in the opening. It's nothing. It's not a fresh lime or do I smell like lime juice or lime zest? No. I smell just a bunch of citruses meshed together, not just lime, just a bunch of citruses with a background of like a ginger that gives a little bit of freshness, a little bit of semi-sweetness. And then I also am picking up, because I've done a lot of fragrances over the last couple weeks with this note in it, I can sense it, it's geranium. It gives it a little bit of floral touch in the background. Yeah, so this is like, just if I had to sum it down, it's just a fresh, safe, and easy to wear sport fragrance. That is all you have to know. It's fresh, safe, easy to wear. There's nothing off-putting about it. It reminds me of a mixture, if I had to put it in terms, of like a slight bit of the original chrome mixed with Coach Blue. The second one on my list is one that I really like. And I've had a sample, I had a 10 milliliter sample, but I transferred it into this. And again, the fluid looks the same as the Azzaro Wanted Tonic, so it reminded me to buy the full bottle. Jean-Paul Gaultier's Le Beau. It's an eau de toilette concentration. It comes in one of these canisters. So you pop out the bottom here, if it pops out, and there's the beauty. Oh, that's a sexy bottle. I love this. I know some people say it's tacky, but I don't care. So it looks like the Jean-Paul Gaultier structure of a bottle, but with a little bit more of a finer line. It has more of like points instead of the roundedness of the other ones. And then whereas Dong is, you get that gold leaf, and then it has a gold top with the pull pin similar to Victor and Rolf Spice Bomb, if you don't know what Victor and Rolf is. But let me spray this on my other arm, even though I know what it smells like. And they have nice atomizers too. It's very nice, very sleek. So the note breakdown here for Jean-Paul Gaultier's Le Beau is also 3 notes. It is top note of bergamot, mid note of coconut, and the base note is tonka bean. So this is a sexy fragrance, Le Beau. So I'm gonna shut down a few notes here. Bergamot is a nuance of a fragrance note for about 30 seconds, and it's not citrusy, so don't even worry about the bergamot. The second note, coconut, A lot of people out there on social media say this is a coconut heavy fragrance. It's not. Coconut is a subtle background note. I can pick it up, and you will be able to pick it up. And even if you're one of those people that can pick it up heavy, you would never call this a coconut fragrance. This is more of a tonka bean type fragrance, even like a vanilla type fragrance, because the tonka bean in this is from the opening until the far dry down. The tonka bean is there. It comes off warm. It comes off semi-sweet. It comes off almost like a vanilla. And then you have a note that's not listed here that I pick up. It's a woody, it's like amberwood, or it's like an ambroxan, and you can definitely pick that up in here. It gives it more of that warmth. It almost has a gourmand take to it. It's a little bit heavier. This fragrance, if I had to give it a few words, is warm, sweet, aromatic, fresh, and then like a creamy vanilla. That is what this fragrance really gives me. And honestly, I'm not comparing it to this fragrance at all, but I'm comparing it to a note in the fragrance. Most Wanted. If you guys know what that toffee note smells like in the Most Wanted, this really has some similar vibes in it, because you really get like a caramel toffee mixed with like a vanilla, and that's what you get with like a coconut background. And that is what you get from this fragrance. It's sexy. It's not subtle by any means. I would say it projects a little bit over arm's length for about 2.5 hours. Where it does have a drawback is it only lasts about 5.5 to 6 hours on your skin. But I don't really care about that, because this fragrance is used as a random pull in the spring and summer when you want a few hours of wear of something and you want to pull compliments. That is what this is for. It's a sexy bottle, sexy fluid inside of it. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you have any recommendations on any other fragrances to pick up. But if not, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another one.